Chapter 14: SEO Optimization. If you want your blog, website, or online business to be found on the internet, you need SEO optimization. This is a set of actions that helps your content rank high in search engines like Google. SEO is what turns random visitors into a loyal audience and clients. AI is completely changing the approach to SEO. Previously, it was a long and laborious process that required specialized knowledge and expensive tools. Today, neural networks handle all the routine work for you, from keyword research to writing meta tags. This chapter will show you how to use AI to conquer search engines and make your content visible to millions of people. How AI transforms SEO. AI helps with every stage of SEO optimization, making it faster and more efficient. Keyword research. AI can analyze huge amounts of data and find the most popular keywords. Content creation. Neural networks can create SEO-optimized articles that contain the right keywords and answer users' questions. Content optimization. AI tools can analyze your finished text and suggest improvements to help it rank better in search. Meta tag generation. Neural networks can write compelling and attractive meta descriptions and headlines that make users want to click on your link. Keywords are the foundation of SEO. They help you understand what your potential clients are looking for. AI makes this process incredibly simple. Instead of using complex services, you can use ChatGPT or similar models. Example prompt for keyword research. Act as an SEO specialist. I run a blog about freelancing and AI. Suggest 20 low-competition keywords that will help me attract a relevant audience. The keywords should be related to queries like freelancing with neural networks, how to make money with AI, and working with ChatGPT. SEO content optimization. It's not enough to just write an article. To get it to the top of search results, you need to optimize it correctly. AI helps you do this quickly and efficiently, eliminating the need for complex and expensive SEO tools. It starts with keyword research, and then comes the content part. Step 1. Even before writing the text, you can ask AI to create a structure that will meet all the requirements of search engines. Prompt. Act as an SEO specialist. Come up with a structure for an article on how to use ChatGPT for SEO. The structure should be optimized for search engines and include a headline, H1, subheadings, H2, bulleted lists, and a conclusion. Include the keywords ChatGPT for SEO, content optimization, and website promotion with AI in the structure. Step 2. Writing SEO-optimized text. Once the structure is ready, you can use AI to write the text. Prompt. Write an article based on this structure. The text should be useful, unique, and contain the specified keywords. Don't just insert them, but integrate them organically into the text. Make sure the text is easy to read and answers users' questions. Step 3. Optimizing existing content. If you already have articles, AI can help you improve them. Prompt. Analyze this article on freelancing and suggest how it can be improved from an SEO perspective. Include recommendations for adding keywords, changing the structure, and creating a more attractive headline. Meta tag generation. The meta title and meta description are what users see in the search results. They should be appealing so that the user wants to click on your link. AI can generate several options in a matter of seconds. Prompt. For an article on how to use ChatGPT for SEO, generate 5 options for a meta title, up to 60 characters, and 3 options for a meta description, up to 160 characters. Each option should contain the keywords and motivate the user to click the link. By using these methods, you can turn every article into a traffic magnet that will work for you for years. Competitor analysis. SEO is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. To stay at the top of search results, you need to constantly analyze competitors and update your content. AI does this too. Analyzing competitors. Your competitors are already at the top, and this is a great opportunity to learn from them. AI can analyze their content and tell you what works. Prompt: I run a marketing blog. My competitor is the competitor's website name. Analyze their 5 most popular articles. Paste links here. Identify what keywords they use, how they structure their text, and what topics they don't cover. Based on the analysis, suggest 5 ideas for articles that will help me outperform the competitor. Updating old content. Old content loses relevance over time, and search engines lower its ranking. With AI, you can give it new life. Prompt: this article was written in 2022. It is outdated. Analyze the text and suggest how it can be updated to reflect current trends and new keywords. Add current examples and statistics. This is a simple and fast way to get traffic back to your old articles that they once brought in. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is your powerful weapon in the fight for a place in search results. It helps you save hundreds of hours on routine work and gain an advantage over competitors. By mastering these tools, you will be able to quickly find low-competition niches, create SEO-optimized content at scale, increase traffic to your blog, and, as a result, your income.